This video will show how to revert a Magillys HMI back to the initial start mode. On the Start menu, go to the Schneider Electric folder and open the Runtime Installer. Select the target type that matches your Magillys HMI. Next, pick up the communication method. For this example, we will choose Ethernet. Enter the IP address of the Magillys HMI and set the network configuration. Once you are set, press the Send button to start the process. You will be prompted with a message. Press Yes to continue. The HMI will reboot and start the process. You will see a progress bar on the HMI. Upon completion, click OK, and you will see the white initial start mode screen on the HMI.